In this video, let me explain how to expand CML storage. So right now, in this CML, storage disk has been used 62.80%. That's too much. So let me try to expand the storage. First, go to CML cockpit. So type 9090 and log into the cockpit. Then go to Overview and select Shutdown. Put the delay as no delay and click Shutdown. Now CML has been shut down. So let's go to ESXi and edit the VM. When you edit the VM, in my case, I have only 32 GB of storage. So let me expand the storage to 250 GB and save the configuration and power on the VM again. Now please wait for a while until this CML boots up. I see on this VM console, the VM console screen is light blue. That means it's still booting. But now it's changed to CLI. The CML should be up. Now let's go back to cockpit again. Log into cockpit. Then go to storage. So in this storage menu, please check this VG00 and add physical volume. Now you see you can add a newly added 234 GB of user space. So please check it. After that, check LV-var. Now you can extend this LV-var, so click a grow button and expand the volume to maximum. And click a grow button. Now I have expanded CML storage. Let's go back to CML and check it out. Let me remove 9090 and log into CML. Now you see the disk storage is used only 9.32%. So the storage volume has been expanded. Alright, I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.